Good morning, student. How are you? I am fine. Today, our morning question changing sentence. Follow the sentence. Only you can call me. Alone, he will go there. What type of this sentence are these? He is not a regular student. None can avoid death. What type of this sentence? So today we are going to learn how to change affirmative to negative and vice versa. Learning outcomes SS can be able to form affirmative sentence, form negative sentence, change affirmative to negative, change to negative to affirmative. Affirmative to negative. Only he can do the work. Only জায়গায় হবে none but he can do the work. Only Allah can help us. Only জায়গায় হবে none but Allah can help us. For practice, only he can play well. Alone, you are permitted to go. Next, he likes only ice cream. মাঝে only থাকলে only জায়গায় nothing but ব্যবহার করব আমরা. He likes only ice cream. He likes nothing but. ভিতরে only থাকলে নেগেটিভ করার সময় আমরা only জায়গায় nothing but ব্যবহার করব. He likes only fuchka. He likes nothing but fuchka. For practice, I like to eat only junk food. He likes to drink only milk. There are only 13 years old. সংখ্যা এখানে অনলি দেওয়া থাকলে সেই জায়গায় এই যে 30 দেওয়া রয়েছে তাহলে হবে নট মোর দেন. দে আর নট মোর দেন 13 years old. It is only 50 kg. It is not more than 50 kg. For practice, I am only 15 years old. It is only 25 kg. You must help the poor. ভিতরে যদি মাস্ট থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই নেগেটিভ করার সময় ক্যান নট বাট ব্যবহার করতে হবে. You must help the poor negative. You cannot but help the poor. Practice, every man must die. Everyone must present there. Everybody loves flowers. There is nobody but loves flower, or there is none but loves flower. আমরা প্রথমটাই দিয়ে করব, there is nobody but loves flower. Every mother loves her child. নেগেটিভ করতে হবে, every জায়গায় আমাদের বসাতে হবে there is no mother. ভিতরে আমাদের একটা কনজাংশন বাট ব্যবহার করতে হবে. there is no mother but loves her child. For practice, everyone likes to play. Every sister likes her brother. I like both meat and fish. এই বোথের জায়গায় আমাদের ব্যবহার করতে হবে নট অনলি, আর কনজাংশন অ্যান্ডের জায়গায় আমরা ব্যবহার করব বাট অলসো। তাহলে আই লাইক বোথ মিট অ্যান্ড ফিশ, নেগেটিভ করতে হবে আই লাইক নট অনলি, বাট বোথের জায়গায় নট অনলি মিট, নট অনলি দিয়ে করলে বাট অলসো ব্যবহার করতে হবে। তাহলে সেন্টেন্সটা নেগেটিভ হবে আই লাইক নট অনলি মিট but also fish. I like to play both badminton and cricket. Both এর জায়গায় হবে I like to play not only badminton and স্থলে হবে but also cricket. প্রশ্নটা হচ্ছে I like to play both badminton and cricket. নেগেটিভ করতে হবে, নেগেটিভটা হবে I like to play not only badminton but also cricket. I want to eat egg and vegetable. And এর জায়গায় but also ব্যবহার করতে হবে। আর এগের I want to eat not only egg but also vegetable. They like playing and reading. Playing and reading. They like not only playing but also reading. As soon as the thief saw the police, thus he ran away. As soon as জায়গায় হবে no sooner had, as soon as জায়গায় হবে no sooner had the thief, and past participle form ব্যবহার করতে হবে seen the police then he ran away. From some groups and since the sentence as directed. We must obey our parents negative. None but he can deny the matter. Affirmative. They like to play nothing but cricket. Affirmative. I like both banana and apple. Negative. No sooner had I reached the station than the train left. Affirmative. Thank you. No more today. See again tomorrow.